Hello and welcome to Spin Art. We're going to do spin art where you don't get as messy. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick out your record from over there. Then you're going to take your record and you're going to take it out. You're going to take a paper towel. You're going to wipe your record off. Make sure that you put your name on the album cover. That's very important so that we can tell what art goes to who. Take your record and we'll help you do this. And we're gonna make sure that it's down really good on here. There is paint here that you're gonna put on your record. And then also there is a large button that you'll turn to right here, that you'll turn to your right. Then it'll get faster and faster. Take the paint and put it on while it's spinning, or either when it's not spinning. Some people have put smiling faces on there. Some people have just put circles on there, so you can put whatever you'd like. Some people have even alternated the colors. So it doesn't take a lot of paint to do. I'm gonna alternate my colors. I'm trying for this album sticker or label to show through. So now I'm ready. So I am going to turn that knob to the right. It's gonna spin. And then when I think that it's ready, I'm gonna stop it. Okay, it needs a little bit more paint. The amount of paint determines how long it takes for your album to dry. So if you put a whole lot of paint on there, it's gonna take a while for it to dry. So I'm gonna try this, spin it. Okay, I kinda like that. I kinda like it. Once you finish, let the staff know that you're finished, and they're gonna put it in a location so that it can dry. Hope you enjoy spinning.